The Microflex Complete Wireless system is an all-in-one sound system for meetings with meeting management, microphone control, microphone and loudspeaker. But for a lot of people, they move their meetings to different rooms. Maybe they only meet once or twice a week. They want to put the system away. Maybe they want to do a town hall meeting at other locations. So a cabled system just isn't practical. It's too much trouble to set up. So a wireless system gives you all the freedom to move it where you need your meeting to go. The problem is most wireless systems are just a pain to set up. They're too complicated. And once they're set up, you have problems with interference or signal dropouts. So with MXCW, it's a completely automated system. It constantly scans the spectrum, sets itself up, and then if there are any problems with the spectrum during the meeting, it just automatically changes channels, and it does it all in the background, so no one needs to touch anything. The Microflex Complete Wireless system uses a desktop conference unit, so it's about this size. It's got a gooseneck microphone, push-to-talk buttons, a clear touchscreen, color touchscreen that shows you the names of who's speaking and so forth, and then an integrated loudspeaker. You can easily grab some or all of your units, move them into a different room. They'll automatically synchronize with a different access point if you've set it up that way. If you have adjacent meeting rooms and you want to keep them separate, you can lock the units to a certain access point so they don't move around at all. You've also got adjustable power transmission, so you can change that around. If your facility is using some of the WLAN channels for the corporate network, you can tell the system not to use those channels and it'll stay away from them. Yeah, typically a Microflex Complete Wireless system would go into a small meeting room or a multi-purpose room or a flex training room or something. It'll handle up to 125 stations, so you could do a large meeting. But for many people, 20, 30, 50, something like that. And that's all through one access point that mounts on the wall or on a mic stand at the edge of the room, so you can use it temporarily or you can have a permanent setup if you like. The portability is obviously a big option. In some situations, like a historic building, let's say, it just may be impractical to drill holes. You can't run cables, maybe you've got flooring that's not conducive to that. A wireless system can sometimes bypass all those issues without disturbing the architecture. The nice thing about Microflex Complete Wireless is it relies on software and firmware for a lot of its features. So for instance, the newest feature is voting. So the chairman of the meeting can call a vote, 3-button or 5-button style. All the attendees can vote and then he can see the results. And you can even project it on a screen if you want to. But other new features may come up as people request them, and we'll always be able to push out firmware updates and say, oh, now you can do something new with the product. It takes the very complex advanced wireless transmission we've done for performers for many years, and it sort of packages it in a worry-free solution for the average meeting and conference center. And those people are often untrained, maybe volunteers, maybe it's not their primary job, so they don't really have the interest or the time to become an audio expert.